Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm happy to announce a new giveaway sponsored by Eachine. 3 winners are going to win the following prizes. The first prize is the Eachine VRD3 FPV goggles. The second prize is the Eachine E016H micro brushed quadcopter, which I've recently upgraded. And the third prize is the Eachine TX06, which unfortunately I don't have at the moment, which is an all-in-one camera that supports smart audio. In order to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is just to follow the link in the description box of this video. It's going to take you to this landing page, and then you can sign in using the following options and follow these steps. The only mandatory request is to like Eachine's Facebook page, and that's one of the reasons for this giveaway, because they want to extend their followers on Facebook. So just visit them on Facebook, like their page, and then you can gain more entry points by just following these steps. I'm going to randomly select the winners in the end of this month, and I'm going to announce them both on my Facebook page and on my YouTube channel. I wish you all good luck on this giveaway, and I would like to thank Eachine for sponsoring this giveaway. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.